Good afternoon, Your Excellency. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Lydia Nzayo. I'm 36 years old, ndi umunyarwandakazi, ndi n'umuyobozi mukuru wa Singita Lodge iba mu Kinigi, Musanze. Ikinyarwanda cyanjye nk'uko mwumva ncyita international, ariko ndashimira ababyeyi banjye bakinyigishije kandi tutakuriye mu Rwanda. I grew up in France, in Italy, in Russia, in Kenya, again in France, and then I decided to pursue my professional path in Spain, where I spent 10 years. I was working in one of the biggest hospitality brands in the world, which is Ritz-Carlton. My life, I will say, in Spain was very easy, very comfortable. I decided to travel to Rwanda for the very first time of my life in 2016 with my mom. I had no expectation. And I have to say that I fell in love. I fell in love with the country, I fell in love with the people, and I fell in love with the vision that His Excellency had for the country. I went back home, which was Spain at that time, and I continued with my life, but my heart kept on booming for Rwanda. 1 year later, I received a from a human resource company in Rwanda, which had been entrusted to look for an assistant general manager for Singita, which was going to open. So I was headhunted, and I started thinking, wow, is this the moment? Is this the moment for me to pursue that vision? Is it the moment for me to bring back all the skills that I learned in Europe and bring them back to Rwanda, where people used to tell me, you're so lucky, uba mu Burayi. I thought it is the moment to empower young people in hospitality, women, and show them that we can build something good. Abantu, my parents and my friends, bavugaga, uwo mukobwa yasaze. Aba mu Burayi, afite akazi keza, avuga indimi eshanu, kandi azivuga neza, Igifaransa, Igitaliyani n'izindi. Kubera iki ashaka kujya muri Afrika, mu Rwanda, mu Kinigi? But you know what? I didn't listen to them. Because I think that in life, no one should dictate you those important decisions. What dictated me to come back to Rwanda was my vision and the vision of my country. So here I am today, promoted general manager of Singita, which is a high-end property. And many people, Rwandans or foreigners, often say, is Singita and the other high-end lodges in Rwanda for Rwandans? Do Rwandans benefit from this high-end property, which seem not to be accessible? But what I can tell you is, what about the 75 staff, Rwandan staff, that we employ since more than 2 years? What about the 1,000 workers from Musanze and Kinigi who are employed for more than 2 years and a half to construct the lodge? What about the more than 20 suppliers that we work with on a daily basis? Food suppliers, transport suppliers, and many others. What about the reforestation project that Singita has? We've planted more than 1,000 trees on the property to give more habitat to our animals. Ingagi zacu, our buffaloes, our rabbits, and many others. What about the cost of the gorilla permits or other permits which guests spend when they come to Volcanoes National Park? Part of that income goes back to local infrastructures. So Rwandans do benefit of it. What about the local artisans who come every single day to entertain our guests at the lodge? Because we're proud of our culture and we're proud of our country. What about the vision of Singita, which is to protect and preserve large areas of Africa wilderness for our future generations? So I can say that high-end hospitality business, they do benefit to Rwandans, definitely. Obviously, during the last year, COVID, has affected us, it has impacted the tourism industry and other industries. But what has it taught us? I think it taught us to be resilient and to do our part. What can I do? Mu Kinyarwanda tuvuga ngo umushitsi ni umwami. What does that mean? Umushitsi who goes in 5-star hotels? No. Umushitsi ni umwami everywhere. Either you're a taxi driver, whether you're working in a coffee shop, whether you're working in a bank, umushitsi ni umwami. Take care of him. Treat him with respect. Make him want to come back. Treat him with excellency, regardless in which sector you are. And umushitsi azagaruka. And yazagaruka, he will bring money and income to our and therefore to Rwanda and to Rwandans. Murakoze cyane.